My dear friends, welcome to this Pyramid Spiritual Social Movement. Welcome to the Pyramid Valley, and welcome again to this conference of spiritual scientists, where we understand more and more of spiritual science from each and every person. What exactly is spiritual science? We are not the bodies, we are the souls, and body is the product of the soul. So the body depends for its health on the soul's health. The health of the body is the fruit, and the health of the soul is the root. So you have to have the health of the soul. जब तक आप आत्मा के स्तर पर स्वस्थता नहीं पाएंगे, तब तक आप शरीर के स्तर पर, तन के स्तर पर स्वस्थता कदा भी नहीं पाएंगे. The soul, the spirituality is the base, and the physicality, the body's health, that is the take care of the root system. The fruit system takes care of itself. You cut the root system, what happens? The whole tree dies. Every man is living as if he is cut off from the roots. There is no soul element. He is thinking in terms of body and mind. मैं हिंदू हूँ, मैं मुस्लिम हूँ, माइंड है. मैं 20 साल का हूँ, 30 साल का, my bones and muscles, I am this kidneys and kidney stones. You have a body, you are not the body. You may be born in a Hindu background, you may be born in Russia. You are not Russian, you are not a Hindu. There is nothing like Hindu, there is nothing like Russian, there is nothing like Indian. What is the stupid Indian? Stupid Russian? Who is the stupid Hindu? If anybody considers himself as a Hindu, he is a stupid fellow. हिंदू धर्म का उद्धार हो, धर्म का उद्धार हो, हिंदू धर्म का नहीं, धर्म का उद्धार हो. So the moment you say I'm Indian, I'm Russian, I'm a Hindu, I'm a Muslim, you are cranky. You gone out of your head, you are nuts. Totally nuts. So spiritual science means coming back to your sanity. No more nuts. If somebody calls himself a Hindu here, he will be laughed at. It's a mental case. Somebody calls himself a Muslim, it's a mental case. So the mind has to be treated. I cannot treat your mind, you got to treat your own mind. And I can show you the way how you can treat your mind. Close your eyes and observe your breathing. And sit down, don't get up again until the next morning. Sit this morning, get up next morning. Sit tonight, get up next night. That is meditation. बीच में आंखें खोलेंगे ना, दो जापड़ दूंगा. बीच में आंखें खोलेंगे तो दो जापड़ मिलेगा. You will have night 6. If you want to rectify yourself, sit in the morning now and get up next day morning. That's meditation. दूध ना रहेगी, दूध दही बन जाएगी. Sit 24 hours, closing your eyes and observing your breathing. दूध ना रहा, दूध दही बन गई. ध्यान के पूर्व आप सभी लोग दूध हैं, ध्यान के पश्चात सभी लोग दही हैं. और एक दही में दूसरा दही में कोई फर्क अंतर नहीं है. हिंदू दूध हो, रशियन दूध हो, मुस्लिम दूध हो, क्रिश्चियन दूध हो, दूध तो दूध है, दही तो दही है. If your body identification, you are a दूध, milk. If you got soul identification, you are dahi. That's all. When you are दूध, you create karma. When you are dahi, you dissolve karma. आप कर्मातीत हो जाते हैं. You can't create karma when you are dahi, but you keep on creating karma when you are दूध. Having created karma, you are going to reap the karma, go through the whole cycle. Supposing I hit this man from Punjab for whatever reasons, I can't go free. Police will come and catch me. I have to go through the whole cycle until everything is resolved. Until I go to the jail, stay there for 2 years, then come back. Then the cycle is over. Whatever I have initiated by hitting him, that is it. As long as you are not in meditation, as long as you are not understanding your soulhood, you are always creating karma. Fresh karma. Every day. With every word you create karma. With every thought you create karma. And we are going to complete the cycle again. When you become dahi, you don't create karma. First time you become dahi, then what happens? You are not creating any karma, but you got to dissolve all your karma. It takes a certain amount of time for you to dissolve all the past karma. Then when all the past karmas are dissolved, then आप really karmatit hai. Then you are free. You have a free passport, free visa to all the worlds, all the galaxies. If you are still in karma cycle, you don't have free passport. You don't have free visa to any galaxy. You have to keep coming to the earth again, which is the jail, because you created the karma. Earth is not a jail. Earth is a jail only for those people who create karma. For karma-atit people, earth is a beautiful journey place. I have been to several jails, taught meditation. For me, jail is not a jail. For me, jail is a visiting place. I have been to. But if you do karma and go to jail, you are chained there. I am not chained in any jail. I am not chained in this body. I am not chained in this earth. I am not chained to samsara. I have a samsara. I have a body. I move. I go into jail, come back. I teach in the jail, come back. I have visited more number of jails than any criminal has done. So you keep coming here to the earth plane as a visitor. कर्म बंधन से नहीं हम आएंगे इधर, कर्मातीत होकर हम आएंगे. बार बार आएंगे, 1000 बार आएंगे, इसमें दिक्कत क्या? अरे बाबा, बात यही है स्पिरिचुअल साइंस में, आप कर्मातीत बने. पहला बात है, आज से कर्म करना छोड़ दीजिए. कैसे? यूं ही छोड़ देंगे क्या? कोई छोड़ने की बात है क्या? You have to get rid of your mind in your meditation. Mind is the doer of the karma, not the body. My hand is not lifting by itself. My mind is saying, hey, you lift your hand. Mind is the creator of this karma. So your act of coming here, doing all these things, are you are born out of your mind. There was a desire in your mind, that is the part that manifested as karma. And you again get the result of it, because you get a lot of claps from us. That is the results from you, from us to you. You get the results. Jaise karma, vaise karma phal. That is spiritual science. जैसे कर्म वैसे कर्म फल. मुझे कैंसर आया, ऐसा कर्म फल क्यों मिला? वैसा कर्म किए हैं या इसी जन्म में या पिछले जन्म में. कभी न कभी. अरे बिन बादल बरसात नहीं होगी, दो हाथ नहीं मिलेंगे तो ध्वनि नहीं होगी. अरे मन के सहारा ना होते हुए कर्म का संभव नहीं है. मन ही कर्म को करता. So you can't control your mind to have right karmas. You have to rectify your mind. That happens through meditation. So what is spiritual science? To understand law of karma is spiritual science. Law of cause and effect. That is spiritual science. मुझे ऐसा ही क्यों हुआ? भगवान ने मुझे ऐसा क्यों दिया है? कोई भगवान देता नहीं, तेरे कर्म आपको ऐसे बनाते. Oh God, save me. Your karmas have to save you. Oh God, look at me. Your karmas have to look at you. Before enlightenment, all my actions are my karma. But after enlightenment, all my actions are my dharma. Come out of the karmic cycle and enter the dharmic cycle. Karma is dudh, dharma is dahi. In between dudh and dahi is sans. You cross from the dudhhood to the dahihood through the breathhood, through the shwashood. My dear friends, there are 5. This is your Prithvi Tattva, this is your Apo Tattva, this is your Agni Tattva, this is your Vayu Tattva, and this is your Akasha Tattva. You have got to come here, stay put here. Prithvi Tattva is your body, Apo Tattva is your mind, Agni Tattva is your intellect, Vayu Tattva is your breath, and Akasha Tattva is your own Atmahood. This is the way. We say, hey guy, take care of. No, we always say, hey guy, take care. Do we show this finger? Hey guy, take care. Hey guy, ma'am, take care. Thenga dikhayenge kya? Yeah guy, this is the, hey, become one with the breath. Hey, take it, this is meditation. This is Vayu Tattva, becoming Vayu Tattva. Then you come here, this is the goal, this is Akasha Tattva. When you come here, when the Vayu Tattva becomes your Akasha Tattva, you have to hear, then the Prithvi Tattva and the Apo Tattva and the Agni Tattva, they become very strong. Otherwise they are very weak and stupid. Now you are Vajrakaya and your mind is always happy. See, this is your Vayu Tattva, this is your Akasha Tattva. Through your Vayu Tattva, you reach your Akasha Tattva. See, this finger cannot come here. Remember this point. The whole world cannot help you. You are here, bloody fellow. You are here. This finger cannot reach you. You have to bend down to come to this. Then as you bend down, this can also reach half of the way. Half of the way, the Guru and Shishya meet. The Guru cannot help. He cannot help this fellow. Krishna went to Kauravas. He cannot help because that fellow is not bending. Pandavas can bend. Therefore, Krishna can come contact them. That man who can bend is a Pandava. That man is unbending, is a Kaurava. This fellow cannot help. Krishna cannot help. Eko Narayana. Narayana is here. Ek Niranjan. But you got to bloody fellow bend through your breathhold. Then this fellow see. If you bend also, if this fellow cannot come, you cannot beat him. How much ever. Now, as you start bending, this fellow will also start going. Yeah, this is Jnana Mudra, Chin Mudra, as you know. Now what happens? Once this cycle is complete here, then the energy comes for body, mind, intellect. The body becomes healthy. You can live for 100,000 of years. Choice. Then your mind is always happy. His intelligence is so very... You can read Bhagavad Gita, he understands left and right. You read Brahma Sutras of Shankaracharya, you understand left and right. Whatever book I was reading about 30 years back, I could understand just like that. You are intelligent, your intellect becomes so very expansive. You understand everything in a jiffy. As long as this fellow is here and this fellow is here, all these three are idiots. They are the three idiots then. Body is idiotic, mind is idiotic, intelligence is more idiotic. The moment this happens, the karma becomes dharma, then these are three geniuses. Body becomes beautiful. Body becomes powerful. The mind becomes always happy. And you always understand everything, all the secrets of the universe you understand. They are not secrets, but for you they are secrets. Because of you, your stupidity, they are secret. They are no secrets. You can see your mother or daughter. My daughter died. Why you can't see her? Because you are blind, because you are stupid, because you don't do meditation, because you eat chicken and mutton. Why can't you see your daughter who is going to the other side? Why can't you see your mother who is going to the other side? We have a third eye with us. We have to activate it. That is meditation. I got many muscles here, but if I do weightlifting, then they'll be activated. I'll also become like Tyson, Bruce Lee. But if I don't do anything, kaisa hu main, vaisa. Depends upon me to develop my body or to mind or my intellect by way of nullifying the karma, decimating the karma, and establish yourself in the dharma. No more karma is possible, only dharma is possible from you. Whatever you do is dharma. एक ब्रह्मज्ञानी के लिए ब्रह्म हत्या का पातक ही नहीं है. You can kill anybody. You can do anything. So, my dear friends, this is spiritual science. This is the call of the spiritual science.